What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? It's me, Mikey Pipes. We are with Peter. Hi, Peter.
Hello.
And we're in Malvern, which is a village in southern Nassau County, near the five towns, Lynbrook, Rockville Center over there. And we have a new client whose central air conditioning system isn't working well. Don't you love spring? Trees are blooming. People have, beautiful articulate grass that they're manicuring. And they need air conditioning. It's not a luxury. It's a necessity, isn't that right?
You need it.
But there's no AC at your house.
No, these stupid wall units.
What the hell is wrong with you
units.
people?
We have one.
What's wrong? You're like white trash.
Yeah, my parents should say open the window.
Open a window. What happens when it's 100 degrees out? You schwitz.
I mean, they all have window units, but I sleep in the basement. So
It's right. Oh, you have
a fan in my face.
you have the luxury of having the earth as being your insulator.
Exactly.
And you had a bad day. But I always give a magnet and a card when we reach a new client. Hi.
How are you?
I'm Mike, right?
Yep. How are
Here's
you?
my card. There's a magnet for you first too.
Awesome. Well, I got you awesome sticker on my thing too.
You do?
Yeah.
What awesome sticker.
You put a sticker on.
Oh, we've been here before?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah. You. I got Anthony Grosso gave me your number.
Oh, very
My
nice.
brother.
Very nice. That's the best compliment is a referral, by the way.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Severa.
Peter.
What's going on?
I don't know about the refrigerant level on it. So
AC's not cooling well?
the other day when it wasn't, when it wasn't crazy.
Yeah. It was like 80 though.
It was 80.
It's 80.
It ran,
But didn't do anything?
but you could feel that the temperature coming out of the condenser was
Cold?
very hot. So
Okay. Is your filter clean?
I don't know. Oh yeah, in the attic, yeah, that's clean. That's fine.
Yeah, how do you know?
I changed it.
How long ago?
I changed it at the beginning before I even put the thing on.
Okay, so we know it's clean.
Yeah.
Alright, so put the thermostat on, set it to a nice cold temperature, and we'll see outside. Outside?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
I think you serviced it like 2 years ago.
Look at that beautiful American flag, by the way. I have a stupid neighbor who had a flagpole on the side of their yard. I guess the neighbor complained it's too close to the side yard. So these stupid, and I'm not trying to be racist. These stupid Mexicans chop out the base, put the flagpole, wrap the flag around the flagpole, put it down on the ground, and they pour it on the slab. And it's still sitting on the ground, by the way. The flag. No, I don't. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Tell me we use R410A, no R22.
Yeah, so
Okay.
I also noticed my bill last year was much higher, which means the compressor was probably running.
You
a lot
hope
longer.
I'm gonna tell you right now. I hope you don't need R22.
Yeah, I know. It's impossible to
They don't make it anymore.
Yeah.
It stopped. That was as of like 3 years ago.
Yeah.
It's just you're at the mercy of who's got it.
Yeah.
But let's see. Turn on the thermostat. And we'll see what's going on with this thing.
Sounds good.
All right, got this Rheem 12 SEER. I think we were here last year. The coil. Let me see how that coil looks. I can't see without the light. No, the coil looks not terrible. Okay. Not terrible. All right, but Peter, hope they don't need Freon.
I hope not.
And it's R22.
Big bill.
It's a big bill, but God bless America for that flag properly presented. And it looks like he puts it away every night because they still have the crease marks in it. God bless America. God bless. Yeah, by the way, on the Mikey Pipes Uncensored channel, I have the video. All right, let's get the tool bag. R22 gauge. Meanwhile, today is the 21st of April, 2021. Take a wild guess whose birthday today is. Are you guessed? Guess down in the description box down below. While you're guessing, the first person to guess whose birthday it is today, I am going to send a gift to. All right? So if you guess correctly, if you've been a longtime viewer of the channel, we had an assortment of entertaining characters working for me and us. But if you guess correctly, the first person to guess whose birthday it is today is going to win some Pipe Doctor and Mikey Pipe swag. You ready? Comment down below. Take a wild guess whose birthday it is today.
It's not yours.
It's not mine.
Yours is summer.
What?
Yours is late summer, right?
No, March
March?
10th. Yeah.
It passed?
Yeah, it passed.
Why don't you talk?
Because why talk about it? I'm an old man. I know. So okay, so you know we have an assortment of characters who worked, you know, with us over the years. Want me to give you a hint?
The past how many years? When was the last time this person?
A more recent viewer in the past. I don't want to give a hint.
Viewer?
Well, no, not a viewer. It's a character on the show.
Chris?
Air Force None. That is correct. Good guess. I'm gonna send you some pipe, Dr. Swag. Let's see if Air Force None picks up the phone. I'm gonna call him. Let's go. Come on, Air Force None. Take the hood off. He's not picking up the phone. He knows. Oh man. At an auction, we'll call you guys after. All right.
Okay.
So we left him a message. Maybe we'll get him on a later video later today. But we want to wish him a happy birthday. He's 23 years old. All right. So as you can see, she accumulated some dirt. She's cold. All right. Got a nice new contactor there. She's dirty. She's dirty. We're gonna check the pressures here. We're gonna take off our caps. You ready for the testo? R22 testo? All right. Oh, we lost the little O-ring for that one. Bad boy right there. Let's not lose that. Peter's got the Testo 557. We use this one for R22. You can see she looks brand new because we don't see too many R22 systems here. So first thing you can do, make sure everything is open. Make sure that all the pressure is out of the system, like it is there now. We're going to close everything, and we're going to make sure we zero out our gauges manifold by pushing P equals 0. Hold that down until we have 0. Now you can hook up high and low side. Look at the service history from the last time we were there, which was on the 22nd of June 2021. We had a very dirty coil. We acid washed that. We replaced the contactor. The system was overcharged, and we recovered 4 pounds of R22 back in the days. Wow. There's the unit. There's the line item breakdown of everything, and he paid by cash. And there's my sticker. If you're interested in having one, email me, Mike at mikeypipes.com. I'll send you one for free. And feel free to make a donation to the Mikey Pipes Philanthropy charitable organization. Link in the description box down below. I am a recognized and registered IRS 501c3 charity where we give free plumbing, heating, and air conditioning services to those who can't afford it in our community.
Overcharged. You
rarely see that, but another hack was here. The coil was dirty, so they kept dumping more and more refrigerant into it, thinking that's going to solve the problem, but it didn't. And now, if we take a look at our numbers, we have a kind of a dirty coil. Not terrible, right? Could be much worse. That's only going to affect that number. That'll be higher because it's dirty, right? But let's take a look at our subcooling, 13.9 degrees, and our superheat at 12.8. I would clean coils. See what we're working with after that. All right. So Peter's going to kill the power. There's a little latch underneath. Yes. Try to pull that down. Okay. Let me show you the right way. We're going to put your left hand behind your back. Sorry, your left hand behind your back. That's your right hand. There you go. Pull that out. Swoop. What easy pull. Go. There you go. That's the right way of pulling that out. You know why we pull it out that way? And I'm just as guilty. I don't do it all the time.
You don't want to touch any metal.
Well, not that.
You don't want to be in contact with anything else.
No. The reason why you do that, if there's a short there, right? If you use your left hand, the electricity is going to flow through your body, to the heart side of your body, and down your leg, right? And could fuck up your heart. Mess up your heart. If you use your right hand and your left hand behind your back, electricity will flow through the right side of your body, bypassing your heart, and maybe you'll survive.
I never knew that.
See? Smart. Right, so we got a long enough hose, courtesy of the customer. I got a hose ready. And let's fill the container up with some water. It looks low. Yeah. Is that hose on? Yeah, but is the diverter the right way? Come on, Peter. The hose faucet has one of these, these two-way splitters on it, And of course, Peter didn't open it for the hose. The youths. These youths, Peter. For our cleaner, we're using the Viper Maximum Strength Venom Pack condenser cleaner. That's good. Yep, perfect. We're using the right amount of formula. There's a marking there. corresponds to heavy duty, light duty to extreme duty, and I like to consider everything extreme duty.
Yeah.
It's really, the cost of materials is insignificant in the total cost of the job, right? So now that that venom is mixed in with the water, we're going to use our foam gun by Refrigeration Technologies. By the way, not a sponsor of the channel, but they make great products.
They're very nice.
Yes, they are. And we're gonna clean the coil. Okay. Got my little wand on there. I want to spray across like this. Oh. Oops. There you go. And I like to work my way from top down, trying to get within 1 inch or 2 of the coil. Don't want to start scraping the coil because the coil may be damaged or just start to deteriorate. Some older systems you'll have that, but we're just spraying from inside to out because the air and dirt is being sucked in from outside in. Okay, nice even pattern, working our way all the way around the total coil. And if you look in the front, Peter, the front, you'll see if any of the water is making its way through with the Viper. Do we have that?
Mostly soap, yeah.
Good.
Spilling through.
Okay, this is the last remaining side. And if there was a lot of debris inside the condenser base, that before I rinse down, before I start washing it down, it'll be a good time to, soak up those debris. Suck them up.
Mm-hmm.
Put them into a bucket and then dispose of them. You don't want to dump them here in the dirt, Yeah. Makes no sense. So basically a little bit left. We'll just do this side again real fast. Get whatever remaining chemical and water is out of the dispenser out. And what works for me is I like to rinse this a couple times and run the water through it. So I'm going to fill this up with water a few times. All right, we're going to clean that out. I'm going to run it through the sprayer several times just to get all that chemical out of it. You know what? This thing is expensive. It's $100. You don't take care of it, it'll take care of you. Rinsing. And you don't have to rinse, but take a look at how dirty this water is. Inside here, other side here. Come on. There, look. It ain't clean. It's pretty dirty. Who's calling me? All right, for charging purposes, we're using this charging chart. We have a 3-ton. We have an outdoor temperature of 65 degrees, so it should be at 154 PSI. And that's exactly where we are after 2 pounds of R22.